Want to learn how to create a beautiful YouTube banner? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly that. Hello and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section. So you want to create a unique and attractive YouTube banner for your channel. This is what I'll be showing you guys in this tutorial. I will also be touching on things to do and things to avoid when creating a YouTube banner. So if there's something you're interested in learning, then keep watching. We will be using canva.com again for this tutorial, and for those of you who are not already aware of Canva, it's basically an amazing website where anyone without any prior knowledge of design can create amazing graphics. So we'll just dive into the tutorial. So we're going to be using the YouTube channel art dimensions for this tutorial, so the YouTube channel art, or you could just go to create a design and search for it there. But since we have the shortcut, we'll just click on that shortcut and Canva will open up a blank workspace for us. And once the page is loaded, we will be using one of the templates just to save a bit of time for the sake of this tutorial, and I will select this template. When I start customizing this, I'm just going to change the colors around. And just a few things to call out is that try to use contrasting colors, and no point using faint colors that people can't see. You need to make your channel art stand out. It needs to let people know what your channel is about really at a glance. Another thing I'd advise you to do is to add a few keywords of what your channel is about, so when anybody opens your channel up, they can immediately see what your channel is about. And I will also advise you to include the frequency of your posting, whether you're posting weekly, whether you're posting twice a week. It's always a good idea to include the frequency of your video post. Make sure you use bold fonts, strong fonts that people can see, easily read. There's no point having fancy fonts or cursive fonts that people can't read. Your channel art has to communicate what your channel is about. It needs to be clear, it needs to be concise. It can be beautiful as well as informative, so don't compromise on the informativeness of your channel art by trying to make it fancy by using tiny illegible fonts. So once you're all happy with your design, the next thing for you to do is to download it to your computer, and you can adjust the file format you want to download it in and the size as well. So once you're happy, click on download, and I just want to demonstrate how this artwork looks like on YouTube. So we just need to open where the file is and select on it in order to upload it to YouTube. Let's just see how this looks now. So YouTube gives you a preview of how it looks on a desktop, on the TV, and on a mobile phone. You can also make adjustments if you wish. And once you're happy, then yeah, let's see how that looks. Here we go. So yeah, this is just an example of what you can do. Just to recap the points I mentioned, try to use bold fonts, try not to use cursive tiny fonts, include a couple keywords about what your channel is about, and also include the frequency of your video posts so that people know when to expect new videos. So yeah, that's it guys. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below, and yeah, I hope it was helpful. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. Before you go, why not check out the videos on the screen? I'll see you in the next video.